This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $100 plus an hour to watch videos. Now, before I get into this method, I just want to say thank you guys for getting us to 5,000 subscribers. Yes, thank you. Grind family, you're the best. You're the best on YouTube. And thank you for getting us to 5,000 subscribers. So I'm going to announce two winners of the free money giveaway since we made it to the 5,000 milestone. And I'm going to go ahead and let you know who are the winners at the end of this video. So you need to watch this video all the way through. Don't skip all the way to the end to see if you won the free money giveaway. I need you guys to check out this method because it's a new website, brand new website that I've never talked about before, and nobody's not out there not talking about it. So please watch this video all the way through. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to the site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm at the website and I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. So it says here, make money online, on the phone, computer, or tablet, get paid wherever you are without investment. And this website does have an app and it's available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. So let's scroll down and learn a little bit more. Now, this website has all different types of things you can do to make money, but we're going to focus on watching videos. So it says here, the flexible solution they're claiming is full-time or additional job for all people from every country. So every country, guys, y'all always ask me in the comments, is this worldwide? Yes, this is every country, this is worldwide. So you can earn money on any device with access to the internet. Wherever you are, you get paid for your spend time and engagement on the platform. So everything's under control. So you can precisely choose how you want to earn by browsing websites, videos, ads, leaving engagement on social media, writing comments, reviews, filling out surveys, creating accounts, or subscribing to newsletters. And you're going to collect profits. So by following simple instructions, just in a month, you can earn up to $150, guys. Wow. Without additional taxes and charges. However, there's a limit of your earnings. You set your own working hours. How you like that, guys? Now, what I'm going to do, let's go ahead and scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So increase your earnings wherever you are on the bus. So you can increase your earnings anywhere, guys, using this website or app. You set goals, so focus on what you are good at and what works best for you, and collect with advertisers. So you're going to be collecting with advertisers on this website because they work with advertisers. So these are likes, subscription views, joining events or groups. So it's a lot of other things you can do, guys, on this website. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and go into my account so you can see how it works. So let me go ahead and log in right now. Okay, guys, I'm in my account. And once you log in, it's going to show your estimated earnings from yesterday, 7 days, a month, and it's going to show you balance right here. And then you go here where it says earn, and it's going to show you all the different methods of earning. So they got browse websites, videos, and ads, leave engagement on social media, write comments, reviews, fill out surveys, create accounts. So they got a lot of different ways, guys. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to show you how the watching videos works. So you just click right there, and then you're going to click earn again, because you're going to be browsing ads. So as you can see right here, all you do is browse right here. You can click down, just browse through the whole ad. And as you can see down here, it says browse this page for 162, and it's counting down the seconds. And once that's finished, I'm gonna click out of here. Once that's finished, it's gonna show you your earnings right here. And that's how much, so it's no points. This is straight up money. Now, after you accumulate the money from watching these ads, you can go here where it says billing. And it's going to show right here, this is your earnings. So you got to get at least $25 to cash out. And shows your transactions right here and how you get paid. You don't need to add a payment method until earning thresholds has been reached. So that's how you get paid. Once you get the 25, then you add your payment threshold, which will be most likely straight to your bank. And let me show you one other thing, guys. Over here where it says referral program, you get a link especially for you. And it says invite a friend or someone from the internet to create an advertisement or make a transfer of minimum of $10 on Zerkami ads. If the person completes the transfer, you will receive 12% of the amount spent on the advertisement. Isn't that something, guys? So you're going to get 12% of the amount on the advertisement. And that's it, guys. This is a very, very good website to make some money watching videos and doing other things. So that's all I'm going to say about this website. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making this money watching videos and doing other things, go to Zerklamy, which is ZAREKLAMY.com. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online, become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, let's get down to business, guys. Let me go ahead and announce the winners. Again, I have 2 winners I picked out. And the first one is, I really can't pronounce your name, so I'm going to go ahead and spell it. It's ROPHIAN. That's your first name. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the comment up here on the screen. And I see that you put freedom, which was one of my code words, so I know you watched the video all the way through. So congratulations, you have just won $10. And I'll tell you after I announce a second winner how you can collect your money. So let me go to the second winner. And the second winner, Kelly Brin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. I'm going to go ahead and put your comment up here. And you put execute. That means you watched the video all the way through and you put the code word execute. Thank you for your support. and you are rewarded $10. All right, guys, that's it. Now, that's it on the winners. Scroll down to the comments below, and I have some instructions on how you can collect your money. All right, guys, that's it. Let's go to our next milestone, which is 6,000 subscribers. Let's get there real fast, guys. Let's get there. Since we still got a lot of time until this month is over, let's get there by December 31st. Let's get there, guys. 6,000 subscribers. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. Before I go, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace and have a blessed day.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.